got a new kind of a career path going on. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
More new stuff?
You know it.
Things going well?
Yeah, I'm liking it. The next thing is skydiving.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You guys got it planned, or you just?
Nah, it's just gonna be like the spur of the moment. Just wake up and be like, okay, because it was gonna be this week, but she didn't want to go. So I gotta get her ready, and then soon we'll be able to go to the to skydiving.
Awesome. That's a trip, man. Adrenaline junkie, man.
Yeah.
Down right there.
All right.
It's got wheels on it too, so you can just kind of feel it.
Yo, look at this. Look at this right here, yo. This helicopter is nice. Dang, that's cool. Yo, this gives me so much. I'm about to have so many ideas.
As soon as those rotor blades stop spinning, we'll go out there and hop on in. I'm just gonna grab one more headset.
Okay.
There's some cold water and stuff in there for you guys. We will do a quick safety brief, like 3-4 minutes.
Okay.
It'll probably take 2 or 3 minutes to get that thing back up running again, and then it's a cool route you guys have today.
All right.
Yeah, this 30-minute from Adrenaline, right?
Yeah.
365. It goes. There's 2 really cool spots. One is.
Don't tell me. Just surprise me.
Yeah, you know what? I won't even tell you. We'll just do it.
Just surprise me.
Yeah, you'll see it. It'll be cool.
Yeah.
Be a good bit of fun today. All right. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me go.
Okay. Cool. Well, what's up? What's going on, guys? I mean.
It's not recorded.
Yes, it is.
Oh. What? Oh, I didn't see the red
At the
button
bottom?
flash.
Yeah. Well, I mean.
I knew it was that red one.
Yeah, that's tight. Well, I mean, you see, we're going hard for the title in there, bro. We're gonna keep doing what we gotta do to keep promoting it and putting it in places where it needs to be seen, you know? And as we're building that, we got Nee Nee working on her brand too, her perfume, her clothes, her hats,
And
everything, earrings. I mean, gold. So it's just like, yo, we gotta do what we gotta do, you know what I'm saying? We still trade, yeah, but like, I'm an entertainer first, you know? And,
That's what he always been first.
First.
Entertainment.
And then everything else just kind of fell in. Now.
Oh.